This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you meet your council's eligibility criteria and gathering documents now. Find your council name on a bill or letter, then get ID, proof of address, recent payslips, benefit award letters, and bank statements ready. Also list everyone who lives with you and their statuses. Students or carers change calculations. Once those items are together, you'll save time during the application. Make sure digital photos or scans are clear so you can upload them without delays. You now move to the application itself. Choose the online portal for speed or request a paper form if needed. Carefully type or write income, savings, housing costs, and each household member's details because mismatches slow decisions. Upload or attach your supporting documents and make sure dates and signatures are present. Once done, review every entry, then submit. Keep a screenshot or copy of the confirmation reference so you can track progress and provide proof in any follow-up. You'll receive a decision letter or email explaining award amount and effective date. Check your council tax bill to confirm the reduction is applied. If the decision is lower than expected or rejected, request an internal review promptly and supply any missing evidence. Deadlines matter. Make sure to tell the council about income or household changes to avoid overpayments. Troubleshooting tip: if evidence is lost or delayed, request an extension and provide a signed statement of circumstances.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.